Good morning, students. This is Nikhil sir from Physics Gyan, and today I will discuss a new and important topic, acceleration. This is very important topic for further knowledge. So let's start. Actually, in uniform motion, the velocity of a body remain constant and does not change with time. But in non-uniform motion, the body does not cover equal displacement in equal interval of time as its definition of non-uniform motion. It means that the velocity of a body changes continuously with time. So the change of velocity of a body per unit time is called acceleration. Means the definition of acceleration is that the rate of change of velocity of a body. Means when a body is moving and change its velocity with respect to time, that means we can say that the body is accelerated, and may also be defined as change in velocity of a body per unit time. So the formula by the definition is that acceleration is equal to change in velocity per unit time. So with respect to time, change of velocity is a acceleration. So now acceleration is denoted by A. Acceleration is denoted by small a. It is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. Vector quantity means acceleration has magnitude as well as direction. Means to define the acceleration, we also discuss about its direction, and the direction of acceleration in the is same as the direction of change of velocity. Direction of change of velocity means in the direction of change of velocity, the acceleration directed that side. Okay, now change in velocity. If a body is moving with initial velocity u, and the final velocity of a moving body is v. This change occurs at time t. Then by the formula of acceleration, a is equal to change in velocity v minus u upon t, means final velocity minus initial velocity per unit time. So this is the formula of acceleration. Now we discuss about its unit. So the SI unit means International System Unit of acceleration. By the formula acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time, means the unit of velocity is meter per second upon time, means meter per second upon time की second. So the unit of acceleration is meter per second square, or meter second minus 2. If we taking the square of second upward, so the unit of acceleration become meter second minus 2. So this is the SI unit of acceleration. So the next topic is that properties of acceleration. Properties of acceleration. So the first property is that for uniform motion, uniform motion means when there is no change in velocity with respect to time. At this situation, initial velocity is equal to final velocity. So by the formula A is equal to minus V minus U upon T, we put V is equal to V, we get V minus V is equal to 0, that means acceleration become 0. So remember this important thing, for uniform motion acceleration is 0, or for constant velocity acceleration is 0. Okay. The second property, acceleration may be 0, positive or negative according to situation. When u is greater than v means a initial velocity of a body is greater than final velocity, and this situation occur when the body changes its velocity in decreasing order, means when a body is moving towards rest, then initial velocity is greater than final velocity, and in this situation a become negative. A become negative by the formula, and this situation, particular situation, is known as retardation. This particular situation is known as retardation or deceleration or deceleration. So the definition of retardation is that when a body is moving towards rest, this type of acceleration is known as retardation. Third property, when a body moving with increasing velocity, that means when u is less than v, means initial velocity is less than final velocity, at this situation by the formula of acceleration a become positive, and this is known as accelerated motion. Accelerated motion, this particular situation is the accelerated motion. Now the next topic is type of acceleration. So there are two type of acceleration. First one is uniformly accelerated motion and other one is non-uniformly accelerated motion. So first we discuss about uniformly accelerated motion. As look from its heading, uniform means when a change of velocity of a body is equal in equal time of interval. That means when a body change its velocity equally with respect to time, means this type of motion, accelerated motion, is known as uniformly accelerated motion. Now the example of this accelerated motion is motion of a free fall body under the effect of gravity. First is free fall. Free fall means, suppose this is the earth and a body is fall towards the earth under the action of gravity, means here gravity is acceleration due to earth. That means when a body is fall from a height h from the earth surface, then the body become uniformly accelerated motion, and this acceleration is 9.8 meter per second square. This is the acceleration due to gravity. So first heading of this uniformly accelerated motion is free fall. Free fall means when a body is falling with h height from the earth surface, then this type of motion is called uniformly accelerated motion of the body. And the in uniformly accelerated motion, acceleration has constant value. Acceleration has constant value. So in free fall, the constant value of acceleration is 9.8 meter per second square. Now the second example is similar. When a body is thrown vertically upward, when a body is thrown vertically upward, means same as when free fall means when a body is fall towards the earth, and the another example is that when a body is thrown vertically upward. Both are the example of uniformly accelerated motion. Now the second type of acceleration is non-uniformly accelerated motion. Non-uniformly accelerated motion. So the definition of non-uniformly accelerated motion is that when the velocity of a body changes unequally in equal interval of time, means when the body changes its velocity non-uniformly or alternatively increasing or decreasing order, this type of motion is called non-uniformly accelerated motion. In general, all the motion on the road is non-uniformly accelerated motion, because on the road there is no constant change in velocity by the car, bus, truck, etc. So the first example is that the motion of a moving car, the motion of a moving car on a busy road. So the second example, the motion of a moving bus on a busy road, the motion of a human being on a busy road, are these example of non-uniformly accelerated motion. In this situation, acceleration is not constant, means acceleration has not constant value. So the value in this situation, acceleration is different with respect